Every morning you wake up, you're given a gift, 24 hours. How you use it will define not just your day, but your entire life. The Stoics, great thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, understood this truth deeply. To them, each day wasn't just another day. It was an opportunity to live with strength, wisdom, and peace. So today, let's explore 5 Stoic rules that can help you live your best day every single day. Rule 1. Control what you can, let go of what you can't. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Most of our stress comes from fighting battles we cannot win, other people's opinions, the past, the future, the things beyond our control. But the Stoic way is simple. Focus on what you can control, your actions, your thoughts, your choices. When you let go of everything else, you gain peace and the freedom to live fully in the present. Rule 2, start the day with intention. The Stoics believed mornings were sacred. Marcus Aurelius began his day reminding himself, "When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, the people I deal with today will be difficult." He wasn't being negative. He was preparing. Because when you expect challenges, you're not shocked by them. So start your day with intention. Decide, who do I want to be today? Calm or reactive? Disciplined or lazy? Grateful or bitter? Answer that question every morning, and you'll already be ahead of most. Rule 3. Practice voluntary discomfort. Seneca once wrote, "Set aside a certain number of days during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, saying to yourself, 'Is this the condition I feared?'" Why? Because comfort makes us soft. But when you deliberately practice discomfort, cold showers, fasting, pushing your limits, you remind yourself, "I can endure. I am stronger than my circumstances." Discomfort becomes training, and training makes you unshakable. Rule 4. Live with gratitude for the present. Epictetus taught that happiness is not about having more, it's about wanting less. How often do we rush through life, chasing tomorrow while ignoring the beauty of today? The Stoics remind us, this moment is enough. Appreciate the food on your plate, the roof over your head, the people you love, even the breath in your lungs. When you live with gratitude, every day becomes your best day. Rule 5. Reflect before you sleep. The day is not complete until you ask yourself, what did I do well? What could I have done better? Marcus Aurelius journaled at night. Seneca advised self-reflection before bed. Why? Because growth requires awareness. If you end each day with reflection, tomorrow you wake up wiser, calmer, and more prepared. These are the 5 Stoic rules for living your best day every day. Control what you can, start with intention, practice discomfort, live with gratitude, reflect at night. Simple? Yes. Easy? Not always. But if you apply them daily, you won't just live, you'll live with strength, clarity, and purpose. Remember, life is not measured in years, it's measured in days. So make today count.